We're definitely way more on the go than we were just a few years ago. We're traveling and doing all kinds of things, and getting food while you're on the go is hard. Domino's has definitely been a leader in innovation for a very long time. So from car toppers so that you could see the logo of the brand as we arrive for delivery, to building out the first autonomous vehicle for food delivery in partnership with Ford. There have just been so many big and small innovations that this organization has been a part of and really have propelled the overall food industry.
Pinpoint Delivery was another opportunity for us at Domino's to showcase our obsession with being first-class, world-class delivery experts, and we really wanted to elevate the game.
The experience of piloting Pinpoint Delivery was a lot of fun. This is where I got to really test out the technology when we were in the proof of concept to making sure that we were delivering a product that was awesome for our customers and met their needs, but not just our pizza-eating customers, our delivery experts as well.
Pinpoint Delivery is a seamless customer experience that customers can go into the Domino's ordering app and drop a pin wherever they are and have pizza delivered to that location. Whether you're at a park, a beach, doesn't matter where you're located, we'll deliver a pizza there.
In 2018, we launched what we called Hotspots, which was the first time where you could get pizza delivered to different locations that weren't a physical address. We were able to curate and create these addresses or locations, points of interest throughout a city where a customer could meet a Domino's delivery driver for that order. That was amazing, and it opened up the ability to get pizza on the go in a new way. But it was a little constraining because it was completely manual. We really would love to have had an option for food to be delivered to just about anywhere, but that did not exist from a technology standpoint. With Pinpoint, our goal was to make that more dynamic and being able for the customer to tell us where they were and we go to where they're located. And so when we learned of the new enhancements of the mapping services and specifically ride share through Google Maps platform, it was the perfect time for us to build on the innovation of hotspots.
It's just like ordering a normal traditional delivery, except the best part is you don't have to type in an address. You literally just drop a pin and then you can create your order. They'll be able to see within the app a map that shows exactly where the driver is located and give you an ETA on how far they are away from their delivery. Google Maps platform is really the glue that holds together the customer experience and the driver experience.
The partnership between Domino's and Google really has been tremendous. It was really the right moment for innovation, not only between Domino's, but also for Google, that required technology teams and marketing teams to really come together and ensure that we were designing the best customer experience possible.
At Domino's, one of our sayings is sell more pizza, have more fun. And this project has been just such a fun and exciting project and a very rewarding one that unlocks what we call the power of possible. And, who would have thought that you could drop a pin and have a pizza come to just about anywhere? We did.